Sean, bro.
Yeah, right.
Fate
They're not,
down
bro.
does not exist. What the fuck? I think title being
Wait,
fucking.
oh shit! Can you keep that fucking tree
Oh,
on
you
top of the-
motherfucker.
Here, let me spray them. Because they both struggle with it. That's so
Lemon
fucked.
tip
What am I
down
looking
one.
at?
You're looking at iFrog at work, man.
That is so fucking cooked, dude.
My finest creation. Hey yo. You want dead or what? 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 Bitch.
Christ. I thought the shield was hold for
Oh,
more.
that's beautiful.
It doesn't. It's level 1.
A golden thread.
แล้วมันเป็นบักหำหาอะไรกับผมครับ
Yes, yes, of
It
course.
hasn't spawned yet, brother. Fuck.
Lamau,
What
the
is
shield
you
you put on
doing?
me, fuck them.
Oh, you got the boat. Fuckers.
Jesus. He's dead. Nice.
Oh. No, no. Well,
You are
Oh, they
dead
took it,
meat.
I think. Oh, you did?
I want to apologize.
Jesus. Man, can you TP? Help him?
no, 2 seconds. Give me 1 second. Nah, not gonna do it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I think he's just happy that I helped him.
How that?
What do you mean how that I'm dead?
You're cooked.
What's this?
No good dog at all. Let's have some of this braised pork season.
Oh my motherfucker. Oh my motherfucker. Oh my motherfucker. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Oh no.
Wait. Oh,
No.
shit. Wait, no, Sun is all. Okay, his health is 100% again. And whack.
And another
What you
one.
dip in?
Wisdom.
Oh my god, this is
Whoa, 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 whoa.
bird.
I think he is.
You think you're. He is. You can definitely live at this. Anyway.
Can you teleport now?
Me?
Yeah.
That's the pump. Okay, now I have like. You don't even need me, bro.
Oh, we're gonna kill me.
Yo, Templar is here. Jesus. That is so bad.
Zeus killed himself.
Yes,
Just kill
he
him.
does. I got the kill. Wait, I got the kill because I'm the one who activated the glyph. You die a dog's death. Be careful, be careful.
Oh.
Just trap. Just one. Where? Yeah. Jesus. Jesus.
Oh my god, the.
Yeah, that's unlucky.
This has been happening all games. All 8 deaths has been from me getting hit by some random bullshit.
Run bullshit, go.
Wait. This good, this look good. Can we go in when I respawn?
I guess 2 are dead. Has to be a club.
That's good enough for me.
Yes, there is. Bangers. Good job.
Am I dead?
Oh, yeah. I'm backing.
Back now.
Let me down.
Just straight back.
Low key traumatic.
Bitch has vision on me.
Oh fuck! Oh, come on. No.
Yeah. Jesus.
Oh, that gets blocked too. No, it doesn't.
No, Nullify does not get blocked. She just doesn't take any.
We need to lock in, guys.